Well, it's noon. Kevin had to go home. We've got everything laid out here to put this head on the bike. I pulled the second rocker arm out of here, so now the rockers are pulled out of the front of this head, which I think will make it easier to drop it on. I'm going to go try to find some mil-spec rubber bands to hold these push rods in place while we drop the head on. We'll do this probably tomorrow, if not the next day. We're actually scheduled to work at his shop tomorrow morning on a Triumph that he wants to get a first start done and a test ride and get it out of his shop. Then we can come over here and work on this bike. So that's where we are. We've re-annealed this head gasket. It's ready. Rockers are pulled out of this head. It's ready. The head has been replaned or planed, and it's ready. All in all, we're in pretty good shape for getting the next couple of days, getting some work done. In the meantime, I'm going to go back and order a new speedometer cable for the bathtub and wait for the kill switch to come in, and those two things will complete the bathtub. So that's where we are. Gee, I'd like to get the bathtub and this black Norton out of here so I can then work on this black Norton, actually work on this gold Norton enough to get it disassembled and parts shipped off, and then I can work on this Norton to start the process of doing the isolastics and a couple of other things. So that's what's happening around the shop here. That's the way it is here. And I'm going to go post these videos. It's noon. I'll probably take an hour to edit and post these videos. By editing, I mean stringing them together and cutting out the really dead spots. And that's just the way it is around here. And the fun just never stops.